Are you facing problem in revising all the dental subjects? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If anyone is new, hi, I'm Anushka, a BDS student, and today I'm going to share you how I study for my dental subject. Whether you are in dental school or trying to get in, I'm sure you will find this video very helpful to you. Let's begin. So first thing which I do myself is any chapter, whether any chapter of any subject, whether you are studying anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, or DDH, try to see that which part, try to see that what topics are there in that chapter, that what things you need to cover up. जैसे कि मैंने उठा लिया एनाटॉमी का स्कैल्प चैप्टर. सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट मुझे जो कवर अप करना है कि स्कैल्प क्या है, उसके कितने सारे लेयर्स हैं, फिर फेस में जाता है, फिर ऐसे ऐसे करके यू जस्ट हैव टू समराइज द टॉपिक्स. जो चैप्टर आपको ज़्यादा टफ लगे उन चैप्टर में ज़्यादा फोकस करना, और जो चैप्टर आपको बहुत इजी से हो जा रहा है वो लास्ट में रखना, ताकि आपको बहुत सारी हेल्प हो सके और आपको उतना जल्दी बोर भी नहीं होगा. क्योंकि जो चैप्टर अगर आप मतलब जो इजी है that you will do first, then you will get bored easily, because then you will think that, oh, I can you yes, I can write in exams, I have done a very well preparation, but absolutely that is not. Second thing which I do is make notes. You have to particularly make notes on each and every chapter of any subjects. So making notes is very important. And another thing that I want to tell you guys is that don't take notes from others, just make your own notes. That will help you a lot. क्योंकि दूसरों का नोट्स भले ही आपको हेल्प करे, लेकिन आप खुद जो बनाएंगे that is ultimately the super. So just make your own notes. Number third point is that don't just reread your notes. Test yourself constantly. Now the technology is so fast that you have so much various apps to test yourselves like Quizlet, Anki. So you can use all these apps to just test yourself. You can also make your own flashcards, and those topics you are not able to remember, just make a flashcards or just make a something different and just stick it on a wall or a mirror, so that whenever you go, मतलब quick revision हो जाता है if you make your own flashcard. Another pro tip that you can also do that teach your friend a chapter, like I told you that anatomy, if you have studied scalp chapter, you can make explain that topic to your friend so that उसको उसका भी पढ़ाई हो जाए और आपका रिविजन हो जाए. Now the fourth thing is that make your own diagrams. Diagrams are very much important. Diagrams help you to carry marks and make your answer presentative and it looks beautiful. So 3 points are there if you do diagrams, because I practically do diagrams myself in every answer I give, whether it is biochemistry, anatomy, physiology, any any subject of any field, you must give diagrams with your answer. This will help you a lot in carrying marks. Fifth point is that stick to your study schedule. The schedule which you are making, as I told in first point that हाँ ये चैप्टर कवर करना है, ये चैप्टर कवर करना है, तो उस पर बने रहिए, टिके रहिए. ये नहीं कि आज किया कुछ दिन पहले मैं छोड़ दिया. नो नो नो, you have to complete your goals which you have written, that yeah, this portion I need to cover and you have to cover. And अगर आपको कुछ डिस्ट्रैक्शन हो रही है, फ़ोन वगैरह सब अलमारी में डाल दो ताकि आपको डिस्ट्रैक्शन ना हो. एंड इफ़ यू आर थिंकिंग समथिंग एल्स, then you can also do that. Just if you are getting bored easily, then one thing you can do, change the subject, change the chapter, so that you don't get bored but complete the goals. Sixth point is that understand and study and don't memorize. The thing is that all you have to do is समझ के पढ़ना. ये नहीं कि सिर्फ रट्टा मार दिया. हाँ, कुछ कुछ चीज़ों में रट्टा मारी जाती है, बट yes, some topics are there which you have to understand, because understanding it may help you to frame your own answers. You have to not memorize so much. Any subject you take out, you have to understand and study, and that is the main role. And the seventh point, which I want to tell you guys, is that please take care of yourself. ऐसा नहीं कि इतना पढ़ाई कर ली कि आपका खुद का सेहत ही आप भूल जाए. So yeah, that is completely wrong. Just keep yourself hydrated and yeah, eat much. Don't eat more that you have a loose motion. If you take care of yourself, then you can also do well in studying. And special tip that I want to give to all the dental student is that just practice your skills that is being taught in college, like waxing, maxilla mandible making. And I know that not everybody is having mold with themselves, but yeah, you have to practice in college whenever you are getting time. Just ask the professor or the department that please give the mold and just practice yourself, because the more you practice, the less stressful will be the real patient. So just practice. Here you have all the points that I have told you. These are all the points that I have tried myself. Are the study tips I think that might help you to crush your college life. Drop a comment with your favorite tip or share that the one tip which is working for you. Please share it in the comment section. Like the video if it helped you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more dental hacks, study guides, and yes, a lot of vlog is coming on your way. Yeah, it's been 4 months that I have not posted anything. But now it's all coming. Just don't worry, and it will come all about the dentistry. Till next time, study sharp and keep smiling.